Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how to add page numbers on Google Doc. Let's just start the video. First open Google Doc. Just go on insert. Now you can see here break option. Click on section break next page. Now what we have to do, again go on insert. Here you can see page element, and here you can see page numbers. Just select here page number in header. I can see here page number is added 1 2 3 4. So this is the way to add page number in your Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.